Guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the tire pressure, flat tire indicator of a Lynk & Co 2022 model. The building years are 2020 till 2024. I had a flat tire, just repaired it. There was a indicator popping up over here, a yellow tire indicator, and this is how we reset it. First of all, have the ignition turned on without pressing the brake pedal. Long press the start stop button for about 5 seconds and you'll see that the ignition is turned on. Yes, like this. And then we're going to use this area over here. Go to the menu, and then scroll to the right. You'll see car status. Then we have the tire pressure indicator. First of all, fill up air according to recommended pressure. Then press the calibrate pressure, this one. I've set the pressure manually, just did that. Calibrate, and the next step is to have it drive for about 5 minutes, and you'll see that the indicator popping up on your dashboard won't appear anymore. Leave it calibrating for a few seconds. Okay. What it says is 20 to 60 minutes depending on your driving patterns, and you'll have a notification when the calibration process is complete. So that was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like my videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.